an engineer here at Lifespine. So our design process for our devices include working with our surgical team to develop their clinical needs in the field. Those needs are then formalized as design inputs for a project. This allows us to work to create prototypes and example test devices that then can be used in either benchtop mechanical testing to cadaveric simulation testing. And once we have worked with our surgical team to ensure that we have met their clinical need, we go through that regulatory process and release our instrument to the field. For example, one of our newest products, ProLift Micro, the clinical need was identified to merge our minimally invasive expandable technology through a single cannula in the disc space. ProLift Micro allows you to work through one access tube for everything from your discectomy through your implant placement. This allows for simple, intuitive instrumentation and allows you to then follow and place it with a ProLift expandable implant. This implant goes in at an 8mm height and expands up to a 13mm if necessary. This ProLift implant maintains all of our same ProLift features and benefits. It also allows you to collapse the device if the initial placement isn't acceptable and move and re-expand to get that disc height restoration.